Hello everyone. I have this Poundland or Pound Shop torch that I wanted to share it with you. Is a 9 LED torch, which something is very interesting about this that I wanted to share with you. It looks really nice. Is until you open it and have a look at inside. A friend of mine gave it to me because it didn't work, to fix it. So I've decided to, after fixing it, to share this item with you. Maybe you see it in the pound shop and it's inside the box. You don't know what is going on inside it, and I wanted to show it to you. It's a very bright 9 LED torch. It's really good. The brightness is really good. No complaint about that, but the quality from the look of it is fantastic. But when you open it, you see what I mean. So this part is generic. It's just on and off switch, and the rest, it has a battery container or converter, which converts 3 AAA batteries to 4.5 volts. And the original part, the converter, it was broken. It was so cheap that I had to use one of my own to show it to you for the purpose of this video. And this one now is solid and working because of this container is a different quality and is better quality as well. So we put this aside and we have a look at the torch itself. It's very light, very thin aluminium, and everything here is press fitted. It shows to you that you can turn them around and dismantle it or disassemble it, but you can't. It's just for the show, and everything is press fitted. And what is really interesting is the inside. Let's have a look at inside. When you look at inside, you see that there are positive legs of the LEDs. They are all twisted together, and the negatives, they are folded back up to make contact with the body as negative, and no resistor is in there at all. So the brightness, no wonder that is so much, because there are no resistor at all. And the aluminium, I think if you press it, you can, squash it. But we are not going to do that. I just wanted to show you how it looks inside and the quality of a pound shop or Poundland torch. If you are going to buy it, if it's inside a box or container that you cannot access the inside to have a look, it's not bad really, but the battery converter the quality is so rubbish that you can just buy this and use it and abuse it, and until the batteries are going to be completely depleted. When you want to change the batteries, I'm sure that you are going to damage the converter inside, and as for just one use and then chuck it away because it's £1 is such a waste. But if they had a better quality converter inside, you could just use this on and on and on again. So very simple, and as I mentioned, everything is press fitted, and it's not a bad torch now. And just wanted to share with you this torch, which one of my friends bought it from pound shop, to share with you how the inside of it looks like. Have a great time, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other.